Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are reviewing the collection that broke the internet. This is the ColourPop X Hocus Pocus collection. I know I'm not the first person to review this collection, but I'm just so excited to share this with you guys and give you my thoughts and opinions on this. I did not get every single thing from the collection, however, I was able to get at least one of everything from the collection. Whenever ColourPop announced they were coming out with this palette, I had to have it. I love Hocus Pocus. It is just such a Halloween classic. I watch it every single year. It is so good. And obviously a lot of other people felt the same way about this because it sold the freak out. On ColourPop.com, on Ulta, it sold out so quickly. I mean, this palette kind of broke the internet for a day. That's why the release date had to get pushed back a day. A little backstory with this collection. It was supposed to launch September 30th. I was waiting online. I was waiting there for probably 2 or 3 hours and nothing was showing up. Crickets, nothing. ColourPop wasn't really letting us know what was going on. Nothing. I kept refreshing the page and then it was asking for a password to get onto the website. It was just so weird. And then after about 2 or 3 hours of waiting, ColourPop comes back and says, "Sorry guys, we're gonna have to launch it tomorrow." But I ended up getting the collection, which is all that matters. All of this stuff is currently sold out right now. But I did hear rumors that ColourPop was supposed to be restocking everything. Those are just rumors. I don't know for sure. But the first thing I was able to get from this collection is the I Put a Spell on You Winnie lip kit. This lip kit packaging is absolutely beautiful. You have Winnie's hair on the front. You have the Hocus Pocus logo in this really pretty bronze font. And in here you have the Winnie Luxe lipstick. This lipstick is absolutely beautiful. On the actual packaging itself, you have little cauldrons, skulls, eyeballs, and then when you open it up, the lipstick itself is embossed with little spiders. So cute. And this lipstick also contains the lip liner in the shade Come We Fly. This really pretty deep red color. And this is what they look like swatched together. And this lip kit was retailing for $16 along with the other 2 lip kits they released. Next up, I purchased 2 of the eyelashes. I got the Boss Witch eyelashes, which are the Winnie themed ones. They come in this absolutely beautiful magnetic closure packaging with green detail around the side of them. They're what I currently have on my eyes today. And I also purchased the Clever Witch eyelashes. These eyelashes have purple detailing around the side of them and they have the same magnetic closure. And these eyelashes were retailing for $9 each. Next up, I purchased the Cream Gel Liner in the shade Black Flame Candle. It comes in this absolutely beautiful packaging that has Hocus Pocus and Cream Gel Liner written on it with the bronze font. And the actual liner itself has the same little eye details on it, just like the lipstick. And it is this absolutely beautiful emerald green color. And this is what it looks like swatched. And this eyeliner was retailing for $8, just like the other 2 eyeliners they released. Next up, I purchased one of the Glitterly Obsessed glitter gels. This is in the shade Another Glorious Morning. I absolutely love the packaging on here. I love that they have Thackeray Binks front and center on this. So cute. And the actual glitter itself is this absolutely stunning gold color with a little bit of some sort of tangerine orange to it. So pretty. It is what I currently have on the inner portions of my eyes. If you weren't able to grab anything from this collection and they do end up restocking it, if there's only one thing you can purchase, I highly recommend purchasing this or the purple one. I was unable to get that one. It sold out. before I could snag it. But I would highly recommend getting one of these. Just so pretty. I'm just gonna keep this on my vanity front and center. It's just so cute. Last but not least, we have the coveted Gather Around Sisters Hocus Pocus eyeshadow palette, the star of the show. The packaging on this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. You have the cauldron on the front with Hocus Pocus, and it is in this coppery gold color. The packaging itself looks like Winnie's spell book from the movie. You have a little candle in the corner and a spider. And when you open up the palette, you have all the absolutely stunning shades and the cartoon version of the sisters on the top. And on the back of the palette, you have all of these shade names on cute little cauldrons outlined in a gold copper color. And what's really cool is that the side of the packaging almost looks like pages from a book, so it's like your own little spell palette. I don't know. And one super fun thing that I really like about all of the packaging that the products comes in is that when you open it up, the actual inside of the packaging has really fun cauldrons and eyeballs and candles. I mean, the attention to detail that ColourPop does. I love it so much. And this palette does contain 15 shades and was retailing for $22. And before we get into this look, I will go ahead and do swatches of all these shades from the palette on my arm here for you. Alrighty, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look. Do I look like Bret Michaels with a headband on? Because I'm definitely giving myself some Bret Michael vibes. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm so excited to play with this today. Oh, my excitement cannot be fathomed into words on how much I'm just excited. The colors in here are absolutely beautiful. There was a lot of mixed opinions about the colors of this palette. I did watch several reviews on this palette, and one reoccurring statement that I kept hearing from other people's reviews were that the colors weren't bright, that they wish that the colors were different. However, I really like the colors in here. I think they're beautiful. The first shade I'm going to take is the shade On Toast, this really pretty warm brown color on a Morphe M456 brush. I'm going to place this on the inner portions of my crease. Then just bring it towards the middle. Now I'm going to take the shade Night of Frolic, this really pretty deep berry color on a Laura Los Angeles L19 brush, and place it on the outer portion and connect it to the brown shade. That purple color is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, I'm living for this color. And it was so easy to put on. It's very, very pigmented. And I'm basically just stamping this color on. I'm not really blending it, I'm just stamping. Now I'm dipping into the shade Hello Salem, this warm taupey color on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to use it as the transition shade and place it above both the On Toast and the purple color. I love this so far, so pretty. Now I'm taking the shade I Call It a Buzz on a Morphe M152 brush, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner. I love the names in this palette. They are so cute. ColourPop really nailed it with these names. This is stunning. This is beautiful. Now I'm going to take the shade Brew Potion, this absolutely beautiful deep gold brown sparkly shade. And I'm just going to take this with my finger and place it on the center of my lids. That is so pretty. I love it. Now, I did get one of the Glitterly Obsessed glitter gels. Note, I believe ColourPop says these aren't intended for use on your eyes. However, I'm gonna try it out. Why not? So I'm just gonna take some of this glitter on a little Wet n Wild concealer brush and try placing this towards the inner corner of my eye. I feel beautiful. Oh, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade On Toast, the really nice warm brown color that I use towards the inner portion of the crease, on a Morphe M506 brush and just place it all along the lower lash line. Now I'm dipping into the shade Night of Frolic just on the same Morphe M506 brush and placing this shade towards the outer portion of the lower lash line and connecting it up. Now I'm just taking a teeny bit of the shade I Call It a Buzz on a Morphe M508 brush and I'm just going to stamp this all along the lower lash line. Alright, now we have the eyeshadows done. I absolutely love the way this looks so far. It is so pretty and I'm so happy with the way this has turned out. I did pick up one of the cream gel liners. This is in the shade Black Flame Candle. It is the green shade. I don't know how this is gonna look with this look, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try putting it on the waterline. Okay, so I put it on and it pretty much just looks a little gray on the waterline. So I may have to use this in a different look, but I'm not mad at it, honestly. I love the packaging of it and I'm pretty sure I can find another look to use this with. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, come back and we'll get into the lips. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, aside from all the Hocus Pocus stuff because it's sold out. However, like I said earlier, I believe ColourPop will be restocking all of it. That's just what I heard. Rumors, you know. I have more Halloween themed videos coming to my channel, so be sure and subscribe and look out for those. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!